Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost trick game. First, grasp the fundamental concept of a ghost possessing inanimate objects. This core mechanic drives all gameplay. Next, integrate a compelling narrative with intricate puzzle design. Your ghost protagonist needs unique abilities to interact with the environment and solve mysteries. Consider how these abilities evolve over the game's progression, offering new ways to overcome challenges and advance the story. Aim for a seamless blend of story and gameplay. Designing the core mechanics involves precise implementation. Ensure object possession has a defined range, perhaps a few meters, and a clear duration, like 10 seconds, before needing to move. Puzzles should leverage these limitations, requiring players to think strategically about their moves. Introduce a time manipulation mechanic, allowing the ghost to rewind events by a few minutes to uncover crucial information or alter outcomes. This adds depth and replayability to each challenge. A strong narrative is crucial for a ghost trick game. Craft a compelling mystery that unfolds with unexpected twists, keeping players engaged from start to finish. Develop a memorable ghost protagonist, giving them a unique personality, a clear motivation, and a rich backstory. Ensure their abilities are not just gameplay tools, but also integral to the story, revealing new plot points or character insights. The narrative should drive the player's desire to solve the central mystery. The visual and auditory elements are vital for immersion. Select a distinct art style, perhaps a stylized 24 frames per second animation, that perfectly captures the game's mysterious and whimsical atmosphere. Develop immersive sound effects for every possession, object interaction, and environmental change, providing clear feedback to the player. Finally, compose an engaging soundtrack that complements the narrative's emotional beats, enhancing the overall experience and drawing players deeper into the ghost's world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.